In other news, Prime Minister Dr. The Honorable Timothy Harris has urged citizens and residents in a national address on the coronavirus to exercise precautions and take the necessary hygienic measures to safeguard against contracting the virus. The Prime Minister said as of Sunday afternoon, there were no reported cases of the coronavirus disease in St. Kitts and Nevis. However, there has been more than 105,000 persons diagnosed in 101 reported countries around the world. Prime Minister Harris noted that given the spread of the new virus, it is highly likely that it will reach the shores of St. Kitts and Nevis, but noted that the government has been on high alert and the CMO has assured that, quote, "We're taking every precaution and making all necessary preparations to respond and contain the spread of the virus," end quote. Dr. Harris called on all citizens and residents to take the necessary precautions to protect themselves, their families, communities, and the Federation.
We must accept our individual responsibility for one, boosting our immune system, and secondly, helping to curb the potential spread of this coronavirus disease, COVID-19. We can boost our immune system by eating more fruits and vegetables, drinking adequate water, getting enough rest, and exercising and taking multivitamins or supplements. The best defense, of course, against COVID-19 is practicing good hand hygiene.
The Ministry of Health continues to inform and update the public about COVID-19. Additionally, there are ongoing training sessions for the medical and public health response teams. Prime Minister Harris also made mention of the establishment of a COVID-19 National Working Group as part of the national response mechanism.
I wish to commend the group for its excellent work to date. Mr. Abdia Samuel, National Disaster Coordinator, chairs this working group, and it consists of key representatives of the relevant ministries and departments, including the Chief Medical Officer, Chief Immigration Officer, Comptroller of Customs, along with representatives from the St. Kitts and Nevis Defence Force and the Royal St. Christopher and Nevis Police Force. The working group was instrumental in strengthening surveillance at all ports of entry in the Federation and in conducting a successful simulation exercise to test the alert and communication systems of our national response mechanism.
According to the World Health Organization, the majority of persons with COVID-19 are adults over 20 years of age, noting that the disease is not prevalent among children. It added that 80% of persons affected by the disease experience mild illness and recover without complications. However, 20% of persons experience severe illness and require hospitalization. Older adults with underlying chronic conditions such as diabetes and asthma are at risk for severe illness, the WHO has said.